In this video, you'll learn how to buy Ethereum on OKX. This guide will take you through each step required to complete your purchase smoothly and efficiently. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to okx.com. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to proceed. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your account. Next, hover your cursor over the Buy Crypto option in the main navigation menu. A drop-down menu will appear presenting several options. Click on P2P Trading to enter the peer-to-peer trading section, where you can buy Ethereum directly from other users. Once you're in the P2P trading area, you will see two tabs, Buy and Sell. Switch to the Buy tab to focus on purchasing Ethereum. This section allows you to set your preferences for the transaction. Now, you need to select the cryptocurrency and fiat currency. In the coin drop-down menu, choose ETH for Ethereum. For the Ethereum option, select your local currency from the list provided. This selection is important as it determines the sellers available to you. After setting your coin and fiat preferences, a list of sellers will populate the screen. It is advisable to check each seller's completion rates and limits to ensure a reliable transaction. Choose a seller that meets your requirements and appears trustworthy. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to purchase in the specified field, then click the Buy ETH button. This action will initiate the transaction process, and you may see a confirmation dialog asking you to verify the details before proceeding. Following your confirmation, you will be prompted to pay the seller using your chosen payment method. Ensure that you have sufficient funds available in your payment method to avoid any transaction issues. Once the payment is completed, wait for the seller to confirm receipt. After the seller confirms the payment, the Ethereum will be released to your wallet. You may receive a notification indicating that the transaction is complete. It is essential to check your wallet balance to verify that the Ethereum has been successfully added. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.